welcome back to another video. Today is just gonna be kind of like another follow me around through my day, and I am wearing a hat today because again I am wearing no makeup and I look a little rougher than I have been. I went to bed really late last night. I went to bed at like 4, woke up at like 8, and then I've just been up ever since. And yeah, and I'm not a napper, so I don't think that's gonna happen. And also, fun fact, when I do nap, like in the middle of the day, I actually always get nightmares. So I think that's another reason why like I just can't physically nap anymore. As much as I want to sometimes, I just can't do it. But yeah, so today I've already done a couple of things. I've been pretty productive. It's already 1:30. So I made myself breakfast. I made an acai bowl. Which I'll also include the recipe either later on in this video or in my next video. I've been getting requests on how I make them, so I did that. And then I actually received an order today, which was to make more tie-dye stuff. So once my friends actually saw my sweater and how I tie-dyed that, I got a bunch of requests on making some for them. So we have this one. The color's supposed to be emerald, but tell me why this, I mean, it's definitely washed out more on camera. This thing is bright. I was kind of experimenting with this color. I really wish it would have came out like this darker color all around, but it's kind of like a sample-y one, so we're still working with it. Probably gonna make a different one, maybe not as much dye. And then there's this blue one, this baby blue one. Oh my gosh, this one, I think out of all the colors I've made, this is my favorite one. Super cute and light. Totally my vibe, but came out super nice. Can't wait to get more of the material in so I can do more of them. I'm tie-dye obsessed. Yeah, so I just got done doing that, and I was actually right now fulfilling some Poshmark orders. I've never mentioned this before, but over the last year, probably 2 years, I actually been selling on Poshmark. It's not like a full-on business. I kind of just do it for fun. I was just about to do that. Figured I'd show you guys what I do. I already went ahead and printed out the shipping label. So now it's just a matter of packaging everything. And I like to have packaged mines really cute. That way when my customer receives it, they receive something a little bit that has been put more effort into, you know what I mean? And yeah, you gotta get those ratings, girl. You gotta get those ratings. But yeah, so just gonna take you along my day and we'll see what we get into, like I always say. Alright guys, so I took off the hat. I said screw it, who cares, you know? I might have a little bit of hat hair. And the line, I don't know if you can see that. I'm looking this way because I have like a mirror so I can see what I'm doing. But anyways, let's package this up. We have a box here. Okay, now we're gonna put that to the side for a second. And I actually sold this dress from Lulu's. This one has been worn once to a wedding, but I'll never use it again, so it just looks like that. And then I also like to get some tissue paper. Also, I forgot to mention my hands are blue because of the dye that I was using. This never usually happens, but I don't know where I went wrong. So, promise they're washed, they're just dyed. And then I also like to put like little thank you notes. Alright guys, so that is it. Obviously I'm covering the information, but that's it. Nothing to it. And I'll leave down my Poshmark in the description down below in case you guys are interested. Alright guys, so what you guys are going to need are your acai or pitaya packets, some frozen fruit or regular fruit if you don't have frozen fruit, and then a liquid of your choice. Today I'm going to be using coconut water, and I did find all these ingredients at Sprouts, but you can literally find this stuff at any grocery store. So you're just going to add that to your Ninja or your blender, whatever you guys have, and then we're going to just start adding your fruit. You're going to add, in this case I added mango, banana, strawberries, and pieces of pear. And if you don't have frozen fruit, you can of course use regular. Just make sure to add some ice to your blending situation because you kind of want this to be on the thicker side. So that's why we're also going to add the tiniest bit amount of liquid just so it's easier to blend and obviously for the flavor, but you don't want to add too much of this because again you want to keep it pretty thick. And then we're just going to shake it. It's going to start blending. We're going to pulse and then blend, again checking the consistency because you want this thick. Can't stress this enough, you do not want this to be runny because then it's just a smoothie. And now we're going to go in with our toppings. I keep it simple. I add granola, actually extra granola because it's my fave. And then we're going to add some coconut flakes. And then we're just going to go in with some more fruit. I just keep it simple and add bananas, but you can add any kind of berries or chia seeds, anything like that. And this is the finished product. I also added a little bit of honey on top after this clip, but yeah, super easy. It takes under 5 minutes and it's so delicious.